more than 35 to 50 lakhs, I can say. I thought of doing some masters there. So like I felt little relief, like I have not been bounded with a huge amount of loan or huge amount of debts which I carry for like another 3 or 4 years. So that saved a lot.
So now can I say that 30 lakhs saved in last?
Yeah, I had few confusions and as I mentioned, like the clarity was missing for me in my decisions. Got a clarity about like what I've been really doing it, what I wanted, and what actually I feel inside and what I'm been doing it. So I can literally see things clearly, like, and I can make out my own decisions. So it's all together. I can say like my life coach and my relationship and also my career advisor. So like it helped me all together.
Would you recommend coaching with Gitansh to other people who are going through some relationship or life struggles in life?
Yeah, I have actually done it in middle of my session to one of my friend, and he's also like doing good now. And I would definitely do it because this kind of communications we do it with some experts. Then we realize like where we actually lack of things.
Hi, Navina. So, I would just like to ask you a few questions, and you can share your experience about how you have felt here. Okay.
Yeah,
So, would you like to talk a little bit about what was your state before these sessions started in your life?
uh, I used to actually been a working woman like for almost 8 years of time, and I took a little career gap. So I've been going on through things constantly, like seeing up patterns running around, and I had very less clarity about it, and I was all confused, and in a state of taking very rush decisions and moving on very puzzle way. But then I came here to this coaching sessions, and I found it very helpful, and also like I'm able to have this clarity of things now. So the state, the moment I came here, the state earlier, it is like there was a very drastic change, and it's all benefited me in a very huge way.
Okay. Okay. So, would you like to just talk a little bit about like what was it like? If you can just describe in 2 lines, what was it before the sessions, before you even started here? Like,
So I had few confusions, and as I mentioned, like the clarity was missing for me in my decisions, and also like I took a career gap, like I was rushing out things and making up like a few travel plans, and uh, I know I was not decided on what I actually wanted. So I've been working on what is coming for me, but I'm not seeing like whether it works for me or it doesn't. So after this session, like after being through like multiple calls and things and discussions, I got a clarity about like what I've been really doing it, what I wanted, and what actually I feel inside and what I'm been doing it. So I can compare myself like the previous thing which was there before the sessions and after the sessions. So it helped me in a very progressive way. So now I can literally see things clearly, like, and I can make out my own decisions depending on what actually makes me feel good and things. So it helped me both in my career and also in my relationship and in my life. Like, so it's all together. I can say like my life coach and my relationship and also my career advisor. So like it helped me all together.
okay, so
Yeah.
nice to hear this. So, would you like to talk a little bit about the decision of that you were about to take a decision to move out of India, and do you think these sessions help you create clarity about it and saved something?
Yeah, actually, my purpose of coming here was not that initially. I was only to talk about the personal issues I had. But then like I just took out a point of where I had few rejections, so I was little down that day, and all of a sudden it started talking about the career. So like I faced it somewhere, like you noticed it, like I'm not on the clarity part, and I'm not taking this decision on my own will. So like there I realized I have to work this on, and as your advice, like the journaling and questioning myself, I started working on it. I found the difference, like what I missed to do in the earlier phase of taking up this decision. So I started working on my journals and my questionnaire things, and then I realized like I should choose to be here and find my career right in this place, like where I all used to be. So that actually saved me a lot of time and money, to be fair. So it helped me a lot.
Okay. Would you want to give a figure that these sessions saved you any particular amount?
Yeah, it's around like more than 35 to 50 lakhs, I can say. I thought of doing some masters there. So it is not actually upon my will. So it saved a lot. Like what kind of life I would have there if I go there, and what kind of life I will have it here. Like I started analyzing it after figuring out the money differences. Like I felt little relief, like I will not be bounded with a huge amount of loan or huge amount of debts which I carry for like another 3 or 4 years. So that saved a lot.
So now can I say that 30 lakhs saved in last?
Yeah, totally.
Okay. So if you have to just talk about in 2 3 sentences, how is your experience now when few of the sessions are completed now?
uh, like I had many activities kind of thing in between, and I had constant journaling, and I had like observation timings and everything, like through the entire sessions. So that helped me in deciding the proper taking up, like not jumping out of judgments, and then just sitting and observing the things what I actually going through, and what I have to actually work upon. So that helped me in a great extent, and now like I see it with more clarity. Like I clearly understand how things are happening, like how I should react for it, how much I should take inside me, and how much input I should put it on. So I am analyzing things around me. I'm able to clearly see the things, how to take it on a track and work it on a proper side. So yeah, it helped me in all the forms. So there's a very good change, like even the way I talk. Like I was all in a rush, like when I used to explain on things. Now like I have slowed down a little, and I'm just carrying it in a subtle way.
Yeah, it is clearly visible today itself, and it is clearly visible since the second session that your speaking has improved a lot. So it's a good change. Would you recommend coaching with Gitanj to other people who are going through some relationship or life struggles in life?
Yeah, I have actually done it in the middle of my session to one of my friend, and he's also like doing good now. And I would definitely do it, because this kind of communications, we do it with some experts, then we realize like where we actually lack of things. Even when we keep analyzing ourselves, like we doesn't come to a proper conclusion, because we all think like whatever I do is out of my heart and it is all good. But it doesn't need to be that way, right? Like with the help of a proper expert, like it actually gets it to a good end. So I would definitely recommend you to people, like whoever comes up, I can tell them like you get relaxed, like if you meet up this person, and he will all be there to give a helping expert hand.
Perfect. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, Navina, for sharing your experience.
Thanks a lot to you for your time and effort also, like you give it out for people.